Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna share with you how to be put together when you feel not. This is how it looks. So let's begin. For base, I use the primer with the color a bit darker than my skin to cover the blemish. Tap, 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 the base is done. Then comes the loose powder to set the base. Again, tap, 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 make sure there's no shiny part on the face. I'm not very content with my freckles and blemish. I put a layer of concealer on them, which should be put on before powder. Then the brows. For blush, I choose this orangey glowy blusher, more like a blush and highlighter combo. A bit contour on the eye to make it more dimensional. A bit highlighter to make the eye look less dull. Voila! Glossy lip color to complete the look. Give me a thumb up if you like this video. Bye!